Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. And as you saw on the thumbnail, this time I'll show you some more products from Tparts. And they sent me some storage bins for the trunk, and they came in this box here, and it says Tparts on the tape. There was no instructions in there, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Now this is made out of kind of a durable rubber, soft enough, you know, but it looks kind of durable. Yeah, and these guys here, this one had a letter R on it. It's like a lid, and it kind of mimics the carpet inside the Tesla, to be honest. So yeah, let's go together and check out and find out how this goes in. I hope this is the one for the right side. If not, let's just take both of them. I'll take the left one too, and we can try to put that in the Tesla. As you can see in my separate room in the garage. So let me go and open the Tesla up, and then we'll put it in. Or let's just do it together. Let's do that. I need more hands, or I need a cameraman here. But my main videos are not about product reviews, but about car reviews and talking about my car, so it's all good. So here's my Tesla, and of course now would be the moment to have, so it would be handy to open the trunk with your foot, you know, but I don't have that on the Tesla. Okay, here we are. So how does this go here? Let's see. I have crap in there, of course. Is this side or the other one? Let's see, that does not go in this way. Will it go in that way? No. Give me a moment. I need two hands here, okay? Okay, I figured it out. Look at that, it's gone. It's in here. You squeeze the rubber thingy in here, in this cavity here, and it fits right in. And it's a little dark here. I wish I could. Let me get my phone light in there. It's not professional, but let me get that on here. So, okay, can you see it now? It fits right in. And then you have a lid, and you put that on here like this, and you push it in, and it closes it off pretty perfectly. See that? And there's a little hoop here to pull it back out. I mean, that's a good product. You can put some stuff in there. That's pretty nice. And if you want to load something, you don't want it to fall down there, it's closed off now. I think this is actually pretty good engineering. And you know what else is good? On the bottom of this rubber tray, it showed you what the position is where it goes in your trunk, where it needs to be mounted. Definitely something I enjoy and that I will use. Okay guys, I hope you like it as well. You get it for 10% off if you use my discount code. Another thing that I got from Tparts is this here. See those lights? Those trunk lights? That's something I really love. I love that. And I have the same ones for the front too. So those trunk lights and front lights, I have separate videos on them. Please go ahead and watch the videos. I do love them. Okay, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, that's fine, you know, but come back for my other cars, because soon the weather will be better and I'll have them out on the road. Okay guys, have a wonderful day.